Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious beef jerky using your microwave. First, select a lean cut of beef, such as top round or flank steak. To make slicing simpler, partially freeze the beef for about 1 hour. Then, slice the beef against the grain into uniform strips, aiming for a thickness of about 1/8 inch. Consistency and thickness ensures even drying, which is key for perfect jerky. Next, it's time to infuse your beef with incredible flavor. Prepare a marinade using ingredients like soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, and your favorite spices, perhaps a touch of garlic powder or black pepper. Place the beef strips into the marinade, ensuring they are completely submerged. Allow the beef to marinate in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, or for an even richer taste, let it marinate overnight. Now for the microwave magic. Arrange your marinated beef strips in a single layer on a microwave-safe plate lined with several sheets of paper towel. Microwave on high for an initial 2 to 3 minutes, then carefully flip each strip. Continue microwaving in 1-minute intervals, checking the jerky's texture each time. You want it to be dry and pliable, not brittle, which usually takes about 6 to 10 minutes total. Once your jerky is cooked, it's crucial to let it cool completely on a wire rack. This prevents any condensation from making it soggy. Once fully cooled, transfer your delicious homemade jerky to an airtight container. It will stay fresh at room temperature for up to 2 weeks. For extended enjoyment, you can refrigerate it for up to 1 month or even freeze it for several months, ensuring a tasty snack anytime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.